This project showcases the first installation of the Dometic RTX2000 parking cooler on a Mercedes-Benz Arocs truck. The installation begins with removing the original sunroof and interior roof panels, followed by proper routing of the main wiring harness to ensure safe and reliable power and signal connections. The roof surface is then cleaned and fitted with sealing material to ensure optimal waterproofing. After precise positioning, the unit is secured using a double-layer sealing method and 8 M8 bolts, guaranteeing long-term stability and protection against water ingress. The power cable is routed through the vehicle's original wiring path to the battery compartment. No additional battery needed, maintaining the integrity of the truck structure while ensuring a clean and secure installation. 2 rounds of 24-volt power testing are conducted, confirming that all functions, including cooling, fan speed, and control system, operate smoothly and reliably. Upgrade your Mercedes-Benz truck with the Dometic RTX2000. Fast installation, engine-off cooling, and reliable performance. Designed for professional drivers who demand comfort without compromise.